Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Let's talk about the most basic question asked. Mr. A always had a dream to understand all the things around it. The first question which he asked to itself is he has a laptop which has some operating system. The question was, what is operating system? Let's try to understand what operating system is. OS, or term as an operating system, is a piece of software that handles hardware. Now, what you mean by it's a software that handles hardware? The phenomena is fairly simple. We have a simple thing called hardware. This hardware includes everything from your CPU, your RAM, your hard disk, and even your I/O. All this will constitute something which we call as the hardware. We have user who has several needs. It has various needs which includes various softwares, various hardwares to talk about. The first thing what user would go through is some application, or rather one application for each type. He can use a normal text editor, he can use a simple picture viewer, it can use some compiler if you're doing some programming, can use assembler and several other applications. Each of the thing for the user is a kind of application. Each application capable of carrying out what user intend to do. But there is a problem. The user cannot communicate with the hardware directly. So what we needed, or what we was given, is something which we call as operating system. It's a layer of software sitting over the hardware. What it is gonna do? Well, simple. It will act as a bridge between the user and the underlying hardware. Phenomena is fairly simple. User would give its need. This need would be taken by OS. OS will simply communicate with the hardware, where hardware will do the actual task needed. After completion of the task, the hardware would return the result, and this result would be given as a response. So together, what is OS? In a simplest possible way, it is a handler that handles interaction between the user and the internal hardware. Another thing which it does is to provide environment in which various applications like editor, assembler, compiler, viewer can execute. And the third thing it does is the interact with the hardware so that user can be independent to work with any kind of hardware. So this is a basic understanding of what you mean by operating system. To summarize, operating system handles first user along with its needs, hardware for the communication, and third, it provides environment in which applications can run. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.